Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this comparison are down in the description below. This review is based on my own personal experience using these banks. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and M&T Bank depends on your individual banking needs. Let's break down their strengths and weaknesses to help you decide which one is right for you. JPMorgan Chase, a banking giant, offers a vast network of branches and ATMs nationwide. This extensive reach makes it incredibly convenient, especially if you travel frequently or prefer in-person banking. They provide a comprehensive suite of financial products, covering everything from basic checking and savings accounts to complex investment options and wealth management services. Chase's credit card offerings are particularly impressive, with a wide selection of rewards programs and travel perks. For businesses, Chase offers robust merchant services, flexible loan options, and sophisticated cash management tools. Their cutting-edge digital platform and mobile apps streamline everyday banking tasks. This makes Chase an excellent choice for those who want a one-stop shop for all their financial needs and value a wide array of products and services. M&T Bank, in contrast, focuses on a more regional approach, primarily serving the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. While smaller than Chase, M&T Bank prides itself on its community-focused and customer-centric philosophy. This personalized approach can be particularly appealing if you value local expertise and prefer building relationships with your bankers. They offer a solid core of banking products, including checking, savings, mortgages, and business banking services. While their product range might not be as extensive as Chase's, they provide competitive options within their focus market. M&T Bank's small business services are well regarded, offering tailored solutions for local businesses. However, their selection of credit cards and advanced digital features may not be as comprehensive as Chase's. Both banks offer ways to avoid monthly maintenance fees by meeting specific account requirements. They also provide reliable customer support through various channels, including phone, online chat, and in-branch assistance. If you prioritize a broad national network, a vast product selection, including top-tier credit cards, and a robust digital banking experience, JPMorgan Chase is likely the better choice. On the other hand, if you prefer a community-oriented bank with local expertise, personalized service, and a more streamlined selection of accounts, M&T Bank may be a better fit. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual financial circumstances, your location, and your banking preferences. Consider your need for advanced rewards programs, digital capabilities, and the level of personalized service you desire when making your decision.